Welcome to the family kitchen. Today we are making French toast and sausage. Have you ever wondered how you make French toast? Well, you may have seen your parents do it or you've done it in the past and forgot. But this video will help you remember. This is one big loaf of bread. We're not going to use the dough. That would be enough for 20 people. The first thing to do, crack 3 large eggs. Oops. That's one. Oh yeah. 2. 3. No shells. We just sliced 2 slices, which kind of look like buds. Anyways, you should always be cautious when using things in the kitchen. And always use them properly. You want it to be a nice solid piece of toast when you put it in the eggs. You don't have to use French bread for French toast. Get it? Because French toast and French bread. You can put anything on it because it's a nice flat surface like this. With cream, ice cream, all kinds of cream, strawberries, syrup, and sausage. You can put cinnamon and sugar on French toast, which is the most common ingredients. My favorite really is strawberry and whipped cream and maple syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to whisk the egg a little bit. I'm whisking the egg so we can dip the bread in it. At least until this one yolk wants to get mixed in. That's how you should do it. The yolk's all destroyed. I'm gonna put the raw sausage. So now I am making the sausage and I just separated it. It will turn brown in a few moments. And yeah, now we're gonna move on to dipping the bread in the egg. Dipping. This is how you do it. Dip it. Keep doing this for a little bit, and that's what it should look like when it comes in. 1, 2, 3. And I think we should see what the sausage is. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna flip them. That's perfect. So I just flipped all these sausages. I'm gonna check the bread on the meat for bread. No, I don't like bread. How's this one? It's still a little eggy. Oh, this one's ready for flipping. That's good. Oh yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah. Those should cook for a little more. Now I'm gonna check on the sausage. I'm so excited because it's been so long since I've had French toast with sausage. I'm going to now taste it, okay? Oh, maybe I'll just let it cool down for a moment. Everyone, now I am putting fruit on strawberries on my French toast. And now I'm gonna put the secret ingredient, pancake syrup. I love it on pancake syrup. Now that should be enough. Maybe just a little more of this loaf. There we go. Here's my first try.
So good.
It's delicious. I'm almost finished eating my French toast. This is all that's left of the loaf. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Tony, because you got me this new apron, and now I can rub my hands on it when I am cooking with eggs or if I get oil on them. And I think we should see what the sausage is.